You guys, today has been a day, but I had to get this couch done. I started washing all of the cushions and stuff last night, but then I realized just how messy this couch was, and I actually wasn't even going to post this because I was like, oh my god, this is so embarrassing, but this is what I wanted with my living room. I knew I wanted a space that I could have friends over and we would eat on the couch and watch movies and there would be popcorn, and I let my dogs on the couch, so it's a very well lived in space, and this is just what happens, so it's fine. But I did carpet clean this, and yikes, it was so bad. But then I flipped it around so that it will fade evenly, and then I just started going through each corner, doing the baseboards and mopping. Here's the dumps from the rug. Oh, see all that dirt? I was like, are you freaking kidding me? That was one. This was two, and then I did one more after this, but I definitely forgot to do it. But moving this couch is actually not too bad. It's a huge couch, but the pieces aren't super heavy. But I kind of just stacked everything in the corner that was completely done so that I could let the rug air out as much as possible, and then just started rearranging, taking things out of here that really just didn't belong, that I just kept in here because now I had the space. Then it was time to do the other side of the room, which, just a mess. But I'm so excited to get this space done. With all the stuff I've been doing downstairs, I've just kind of neglected floors and stuff up here, so they're pretty bad. So I felt really good to get this done today. And then from here, we just moved on into the kitchen. And yes, I know this looks like a lot of stuff, but it's just stuff that was on the couch that I'm going to clean. It's kind of like a blanket washing day. And then I finally took apart the old dog kennel, and I have a really cool idea for this space, but I needed to get this out of my way so that it would just stop collecting dirt, and I really needed to put this countertop on the new kennel, which you can see on the right side. So